Well, hello again. Welcome back to the channel. Now, this week I was hoping to be getting on with the diner. However, in this uncertain world, for some odd reason, I'm finding it very difficult to get my hands on glue sticks for my glue gun, would you believe? So after searching a few days off, as I've worked through the lockdown this time, I've had to order some online. So, not arrived yet, but we will get there. So what I've decided to do, rather than leave you hanging, as it were, I have been working on a little bit of something in the background, for me personally actually, from some small favourite thing of mine. You may work it out before I end up telling you, or it's obvious. So what I'll do, I thought I'd take some photographs of the progress and a little bit of video of how we're moving on with it. I don't know if we'll finish it this particular episode, depending on how particular I am about the details that go into said build. So I hope it's entertaining, I hope you like it, I hope you know what it is, and I hope you're all looking forward to the finished product, as I am. I don't know what I'm going to do with it, it's just something I wanted to do. So for the moment, let's have a look. So this is a little project I've been sort of working on for my own purposes in the background. For those of you who don't recognise it immediately, here's a little bit of a clue. So this might give you a better angle as to clue what it is, but you've probably worked it out. So, a little behind the scenes thingy. Ooh. I'll keep you up to date as we go along, obviously, as always. Okay, so what I've done here is added the next brick section in the back there, and as per the TV show, there is, I believe, a wooden conduit goes up here. But that's what that is, and it also tidies up the corner. I don't want it perfect, because as far as I'm aware, it's not perfect on the show. So I'm trying to keep it as best I can. All this to clean up yet, obviously, lots more to do. Right then, here we are, upside down. And as you can see from the reflection, this is literally where we watch paint dry. So until that's dry, well, got to eat. So this is what I have, which is not far off, if I'm honest. Yeah, I think I stumbled across this on a Google search more than anything. So what I've done is, obviously, I've printed and cut this piece out, and then I've glued it to a piece of card, basically. Excuse me, to give it stiffness. And then what we're going to do is, using these coffee stirrers, I'm going to create a wooden frame that goes all the way around, and then we'll attach it inside on the stairwell. Because on the show, that's pretty much what it is. And this is just, luckily, very, very similar. So I'm going to go with that. Just a quick side shot level. See, as we access, the downstairs section here, as it will disappear down the front side here. So far, quite happy with that. So there we have it, all done and dusted. I'll take you around the other side. There you go, fitted nicely. Just need to do a few bit touch-ups along these sections here for those gaps in. But that's in nicely. So I'm quite happy with that. It looks quite good. You can get the right way around, but you get the drift. Just a quick side shot level. See, as we access, the downstairs section here, as it will disappear down the front side here. So far, quite happy with that. Okay then, I hope you've enjoyed what you've seen so far. Now obviously it's not the project I was planning on bringing to you, so it is a little behind, so to speak, and some of the paintwork looks a bit rough at the moment. But obviously the paintwork down the edge of the stairs, most of that's going to be covered by a kind of carpet. You won't see it really, but you'll see as time goes on. So I'll just show you a few more photos to sort of knock on the head for this particular edition, and then I'll try and get some more done ready for next time if my glue sticks arrive in time, and then obviously we'll move on with the diner as well. So for the moment I'll leave with this. We'll see how we go. Fantastic. So we are getting there. It's a slow process, but then I say it wasn't the one I was hoping to bring you. But anyway, once again, patience. You are so patient. Thank you. But I'll get on as much as I can, bring you as much as I can. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you next time. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and please do leave me a comment whether you liked where I'm going or not going, or as I've said before, if you think I could do it a different way, a better way, that would be great. Take care. See you soon. Look after yourselves.